moderately bearded eagle, and this is how to cook catfish. Down in the description, you can watch the full fillet video. Just gets a little gruesome for the platform. Thanks for watching.
I'm gonna try and get just up under this membrane because it's very, very thin.
I won't bore you with this, but we're gonna take as much of that off as we can.
But here we are. See there?
Look at that, membrane-free.
Here we are today.
That's how we do it.
That's some good looking meat right there, bud.
That could still feed a village of 2 people.
I think we just fire the whole thing up and throw it on a bed of yellow rice and get a nice full belly.
All right, here's all you need for the rice. 1 bag of yellow rice mix, 1 seasoning packet of the Sazon, about a little glug of oil, and 2 tablespoons of butter with 3 cups of water. Packaging says 3.5. Don't put 3.5, just do 3. While the water boils up, go ahead and throw your butter in. And a global of oil. Not more than 1 global. Throw your saffron seasoning in at this point and just bring it to a slow boil. So once this comes to a boil, we're gonna throw in the rice and throw the lid on. We're gonna put it on lowish after we put the lid on.
We were really hoping for the Cajun 2-step, but Walmart was out.
Rapid boil. There goes the rice. We're gonna stir this occasionally until the very end. We're gonna stir it extremely rapidly. Once we fire this off here, we're gonna put that lid on. Everything's gonna be perfect. We're also gonna bring this down to medium lowish. Getting there. For the breading, we're gonna go equal parts, these 2 things, not affiliated, not sponsored. And then we're just gonna mix that up. We're gonna throw the fish in there and fry it. Once your rice is almost done, start your oil. We gotta get this to 400 degrees. You have to try the rice in order to know that it's done.
Feels done. This fork is terrible, by the way.
Put your hands in there if you feel it.
Oh, perfect.
All right, once your oil is at 400 degrees, we're gonna take your catfish fillets. I'm gonna put it in there, mash it down, flip it over, mash it down. We're gonna really mash it down like we're playing the piano. And then we're gonna get the other one so everybody can eat at the same time. And we have some for the dog, so we're gonna do those separately. Okay. So then we're gonna put this in the oil. Once you've mashed it down, everything's good. This isn't a batter, this is a breading. So the oil's 400 degrees. The catfish, depending on how thick your catfish is, mine's super fatty. It's gonna probably take 4 or 5 minutes per side. Just gonna throw that in there and get the oil everywhere. And then we're gonna flip it. Oh yeah, once it starts curling like that, you know it's time to flip it. Get your tongs. Flip it over. Once the internal temperature is 145, 150-ish, you're good. Now we're done. We're gonna take this out, let it drain. We're gonna pull this out and lay it on the paper towels. All right, time for Annie's little giblets. And pull these in here, get them all coated up. We're gonna take all those, throw them in the fryer. Catfish nuggets for the puppy dog. Annie's is just finishing. We're going to share this with the dog and the cat. All right, so now we're going to go with one of these, a little bit of salad, a little bit of rice, we're good. Enjoy. Thanks for joining us.